Starting to snow pretty good. Got a little bit of a hike in. Probably not even a mile, 3/4 I'm guessing. But no snowshoes for me. Well, ain't that bad. Got about 6 to 8 inches, I believe, in the last couple days. Supposed to get 3 to 5 tonight. Guess we'll see tomorrow morning. Oh man, Danny just dropped a big bomb. You can smell it, Danny. Try to get under this barbed wire. Little pokey fence. Come on, Holly. Come on. One, go. Made it. All right. It's a little sunken down. All right, what we come up on now, it's a little bit of tracks right here. Come on, Dirty Dan. Just ran into what they call it, cross-country skiers. Danny surprised him. I wasn't expecting to see anybody back here. I guess it's not that cold. Like high 20s, I think. Nice little hike though. Snow's starting to come down good. Beautiful scenery. And this hiking bag I got definitely got a little weight on it. I'm already working up a sweat pretty good. Too many layers on, I think. Plus this hat holds in a lot of heat. I feel like you see the fog coming off my head. Come on, Holly Jolly. All right, you can go left or right. Guess we're going right. Danny, lead the way. Another deer blind. Come on, Holly. Two different trails. I think this is the one I want to do. Other people have definitely been here. Beautiful out here. All right, let's go find camp. Holly, you blend in almost. Horses only. I guess we're not going there. This looks like a nice spot. Nice and flat. Covered up in the snow a little bit. The only problem is the trails aren't far. So literally if anybody's coming, we'll be caught. But what are we gonna do? Is this home, Danny? Do a quick video to show everything I brought with me. Little chair, I ain't sitting on the cold snow. Start adding up. Put these babies over here. Here's the food for tonight. I'll show this later on. Barbecue grill. Cheap Walmart tent I've had for like 8 years. Probably 25, 30 bucks. Ozark Trail, 2-person dome. A couple bottles of water. An extra blanket. Nice warm blanket for one of the dogs or me. You chill out, man. See what the temperature is in a few. Stick that there. Battery packs for the GoPro. Some matches. 2-person summer tent. Off Amazon. Back off. Come on. 2-person has little pillows in it. That sucked, but here's the gear I have, the old Kelty. This thing's old too. Handy down for my uncle. It's getting so hot I had to take my coat off though. I'm sweating like a dog. Best thing of winter camping, you never need a cooler. Perfect setup. Keep it real cold. Let's hope they don't freeze. One last item I had, the handsaw. I'm gonna go chop down some stuff. Come on. Go. Danny, come on. Might try to get a few of these to put underneath. I don't want to chop too much down. Most likely just end up being on the cold ground, but I wanted to try something new. Alright, time to start hacking them. Got a decent amount. If I need more, I'll get some more, but I'm gonna set up the tent now. I don't know, first time trying this. Figure why not? I don't have a tarp. Well, I think the old tent had enough. This just happened. Really cracked. I'm gonna have to improvise now, because otherwise we're kind of screwed, but I don't know, found a way. Tent might be looking like it's halfway up. This is the first time in my life. I've been camping for so many years. This thing's alright, it won't stick now. Over here, baby snapped. I'm gonna have to keep messing with it. Better than nothing, but I'm not about to ruin my trip over that. We'll make it do somehow. This is some real bad camping right here. You gonna make it do? Just gotta throw the tarp on top now, or the rain fly. Oh my gosh, I'll keep adjusting to it. Do that or pack it up. You guys want to go home? Not too bad. A little bit under 30, 28 maybe. So I got the fly on. Literally, this is embarrassing, but what am I gonna do? Cancel the whole trip? Right here. Right here, some water. Oh, you're thirsty. I'm gonna make that as my base for the fire. But just what I thought. It's almost 5 o'clock and someone just walked right by over there on the trail. Dogs went after him, but of course they're friendly, but I never thought anybody would be back here right now. It was too easy. Jeez. I knew it was dead. Oh. That's perfect. Took a second. I had to use a lot of pine to get it going, since I don't have no lighter fluid and cheating. And the dance continues. Danny, leave her alone. You little horn dog. Real close to the trail. Who cares? They're gonna see that tent. They're gonna feel bad for me. My God, that's a disaster. Hopefully it holds up. 3 to 5 inches of snow possibly tonight. All right, ladies first. Pull it, Howard. Pull. Come on, pull it. Go on. Pull it. There you go. Cheers. Here comes our first train. GoPro's having some issues. It keeps wanting to shut off because it's too cold. Hopefully I can finish this video. Grab the first beer from the cooler. Oh, Holly's gonna help clear it off. Good job, Holly. Come on, Danny, you help too. At least I know it's cold. Cheers. Danny, who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here, Holly? Who's here? Who's here? Get that damn squirrel. Holly, get the squirrel. You gonna help me get firewood? Oh, boom, look at you. You look tired as shit too, man. Holly Jolly's over here like that. Well, the fire's dying down, guys. We need more firewood. Alright, guess I'll get it on my own, Boone. Oh, you gonna step up and help me? Good, Boone. Good, Boone. Alright, let's go get it. Come on. I'm gonna have to get on my X-ray vision where I turn the camera off. I can find firewood like no other. As soon as it turns off, your eyes sink in. And that's all it is. You find the dead wood, the trees that are fallen. Boom. This is why you usually get as much wood as you can before you go to bed. But I knew the problem was gonna happen, but I was willing to take on the challenge because I enjoy this shit. Come on, dogs. Late night standoff. Who's gonna put the last branch on the fire? I don't know what the hell's going on here. Ain't you good? Well, I think we about hit it. Boone, you wanna stay up longer? Hobby? The fire dying out. I'm tired of looking for firewood, so we'll hang out for another 10 minutes, 15, and I'll show you the bedtime catastrophe. Nice size with that minced garlic. It's essential to make this great. Sauerkraut. Oh, big glove. Venison hash. Yeah, it's gonna be alright. I'll tend to it as I have to. Caught Howie Nowie in action. Oh, Danny's laying inside the half caving in tent. Hillbilly camping. It's gonna be interesting. As long as it stays above, it's my last day in that baby. Got myself about 8 years out of it. This is gonna be the weirdest sleeping situation ever. Howie's going in there all wet. Gonna get all the sleeping bag all wet. Oh yeah, good job, Howie. Here you go. Yeah, shake it a little bit. Shake the snow off. We'll figure it out. I don't even know how we'll make this work. Yeah. I think I can make it work. Ain't that bad. We are barely even surviving. Look at Boone just took it down with this one strike. Oh, Boone, you better lay down, man. You're gonna take us all down. Boone, lay down. Lay down, Boone. Yeah, it's that close. Straight up hobo camping for real. 5 o'clock a.m. Fort did not last. Actually, I did alright until Holly just knocked it down. Just kidding. This thing, when I woke up, was just about that much. All the snow was landing on it, sunken down even more. You guys ready to go? Alright, let's pack it up. Come on, Holly Jolly.